Welcome to HS Academy. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about what are the typical questions that was asked to me when I have attended my first safety officer interview. Okay, so we are going to discuss actually three things inside that. First of all, the language which is being used in the interview, that is also important. Second is typical question pattern, it means from where they are generally asking questions to the safety officers. And third one is my personal experience, what are the questions that they have asked to me in my first safety officer interview. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, first of all, the language, it means in which language they are going to ask the questions. So with regards to that, a lot of videos actually available on the YouTube, but most of the videos are telling that if you know Hindi also, it will be good. But in my sense, because most of the interviews I have given in the southern part of the India, so at the time I have felt that Hindi is mandatory, because most of the workers, those who are coming to work in our sites, they are from northern states, okay, from the Hindi speaking states. So Hindi is must. Okay, not for management but for communicating with the workers. Second one is English. English is mandatory whether you are working in a non-Hindi speaking state or if you are working in the Hindi speaking state. English is must. And third is your knowledge of regional language. It means sometimes you will be having opportunity to move in Tamil Nadu, to Kerala, to some other places where Hindi is not being spoken. Okay, so at that time if you have some basic knowledge of the regional language which is being spoken there, means it will be more good. Okay, so try to focus in three languages if you are from a non-Hindi speaking state, and try to focus on two major languages if you are from a Hindi speaking state. So this is about the clarity about the language. So mostly they will be taking interview in the English. Okay, so now second, when we come to the questions, it means what are the patterns that is being followed in the safety officer interview. Okay, so basically in that particular interview, three major sections are there. It means from three major domain areas they can ask the questions. First is your ISO, ISQ, okay, industry specific question. For example, now tomorrow you are going to work in a paper industry, okay, paper mill. So at that time they will be asking the industry specific question. Industry specific question in the sense from that industry related question. For example, if you work in a paper mill, okay, so at the time they will ask what are the different hazards that is present in a paper mill, okay, what are the safety that can be implemented in a paper mill, like that industry specific question. And these are the most frequently asked question which is being asked in the interview by the interviewer. Okay, so what is the solution for that, how you can give the answers for that? So the solution is very simple, guys. Before going to any interview, you will be knowing the company name, you will be knowing the designation, you will be knowing the plant, which location it is. Okay, so try to get some basic information. For example, tomorrow I am going to a explosion or pyrotechnics manufacturing industry. Okay, in my basically course, I haven't studied about explosives, safety and all. So I can just do some basic research. Before 2 or 3 days, I can do some basic research. So at least I can go through some basic terminologies which can be used in that particular industry. Okay, so try to get first of all the name, in which industry you are going to give your interview. After getting the basic knowledge about that particular industry, it will be easy for you to crack the industry specific questions which was asked in the interview. Okay, second one, when we talk about the second type of question that will be asked, that is your field specific questions. What is that? FSQ. Field specific questions in the sense from wherever, which field you are coming. Generally if you are coming from fire protection, they will be asking you the questions which is related to fire. If you are coming from safety, they will ask you question related to safety. And third is if you are coming from industrial hygiene, they can ask you the questions related to industrial hygiene. So these are the three typical questions that they can ask you, and this is very easy actually, because if you are studying a degree or any sort of diploma, that becomes very easy to give such sort of questions and answers. Okay, third one is your journal question. Journal question doesn't means like name of father and mother. Journal question in the sense if you have done any curricular activity, extracurricular activity, if you have handled previously any project or from any achievement you have been done, so they can ask the questions related to that. For example, some YouTubers are there, those who are giving the interviews in any company. So at the time they can ask the questions which is related to their YouTube channel. Okay, which they can ask the question which is related to any function you have created, any functions you have done in your past experience. So these are the three most frequently specific domains from where they are asking the question. Now when we come to the third one, what is my personal experience when I have given my interview? So at the time, guys, actually in my first interview they haven't asked me any question. Okay, so based upon my resume only, I have created one resume of around 3 to 4 pages. They have generally asked me, have you done this particular qualification? What are the questions they have asked me? It's very general question. They haven't asked me field specific questions. They haven't asked me industry oriented or industry specific questions. So I was come under third category. Okay, so in my first interview it was happened. In the second also the question is like that, they haven't asked any question, only they have asked some question which is related to field. It means when I have worked with the fire protection industry, they have asked me what is fire, what is sprinkler system, because we are going to work with them. Okay, so field specific question and industry specific question, little bit they have asked to me. So guys, this is about the today's video where I have shared what are the different type of questions they can ask to you during an interview, as well as my personal experience, as well as what are the typical languages they can use during that interview. I hope this particular video was useful for you. If you like this video, if you like that content, just press the like button, as well as subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.